In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Slack Huddles. Slack Huddles are quick, lightweight audio or video meetings that live right inside your conversations, making it easy to jump in, align fast, and get back to work. Here's how to use them confidently from start to finish. Begin by opening your browser and going to appslack.com. Sign into your workspace if prompted so you land on your usual channels and direct messages. Next, choose the channel or direct message where you want to meet and click to open it. This keeps your huddle connected to the right conversation, so notes, links, and follow-ups stay organized in one place. Look to the top right and click Start Huddle. Slack will spin up a small meeting panel so you can join. If you see a Join or Huddle button, click it to enter. Once you're in, take a moment to check your audio and video settings. Pick the correct microphone and speakers so everyone can hear you clearly, and select the camera you want to use. If you prefer audio only, simply turn the camera off. Adjustments here help prevent echo and make sure your setup is stable before you begin. When you're ready to present, share your screen. You can choose your entire screen or a specific window, which keeps things focused for your audience. If multiple people are presenting, pause your share when you're done so others can take over smoothly. If you want to participate without interrupting, raise your hand. This signals to the group that you have something to add and helps keep the conversation orderly. To keep things engaging, drop a sticker or add a reaction during the huddle. These visual cues help you respond without talking over someone. If your team needs a shared space for quick notes, create a canvas and add sticky notes. This is great for brainstorming, capturing action items, or aligning on next steps in real time. If you need to type something out, open the thread attached to the huddle. Use it to share links, documents, or quick clarifications without derailing the discussion. For broader participation, invite people to join or copy the huddle link and share it. Add a topic so everyone knows the purpose. Choose a huddle theme to match your team's style, and switch the language if it helps participants follow along more easily. If you prefer to read as well as listen, turn on captions. This supports accessibility and makes it easier to keep up in noisy environments. When you're finished, click Leave to exit the huddle. That's it. Quick, focused collaboration right where your work already happens.